Now you know the secret to cooking restaurant-style curry at home, it's time for me to share with you my banging butter chili chicken curry recipe. Don't worry, it's down in the caption and also on my website, the link is in my bio. Marinate the chicken in the spices, garlic and ginger paste and some natural yoghurt. I like to cook these in my air fryer to get some beautiful caramelisation, so once this is done, set to one side whilst you make the sauce. Gently fry the onions along with garlic and ginger paste in a load of butter or ghee until golden. Then sprinkle in garam masala, fenugreek, chilli powder and turmeric, then cook this out for a couple of minutes. Now it's time for the curry-based gravy. The recipe for this is in my previous video, so make sure you check it out and cook in bulk for when it's needed. I like to add in a few fresh chillies for a fiery kick, then the golden chicken. Pour in some water, then simmer over a gentle heat for 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. What are you going to be cooking this weekend? I really think you should try this curry. Make sure to hit that follow button for more easy to follow recipes.